preventative maintenance, make-ready checks before a move-in, quarterly fire code audits, monthly common area walks. Every property manager knows these should be happening, but they slip when the week gets full. They turn into quiet liabilities until they surface as a costly repair, a compliance issue, or an awkward conversation with a new resident. Checklists are how Doorcast keeps these on a cadence. A checklist is the lightweight cousin of an inspection. A predefined set of tasks to run and check off, without requiring as much input from your team on an area-by-area basis. Checklists can have an assigned team member and a due date for full accountability. You build a template once, assign tasks to the right areas, save it, and you've got a reusable checklist for a monthly fire code check, a preventative maintenance walk, or a make-ready. Custom checklists allow you to specify the labels of the checkbox selections, including passed, failed, repair needed, and many more. Build it the way your team actually works. Then you tie the checklist template to a Doorcast automation to streamline your operations. Doorcast will create the checklist automatically on the cadence you set and push it to the right person's phone, so your monthly fire code walk doesn't depend on someone's memory. Your team will just receive a notification on their device telling them a new checklist is ready. Doorcast automations are highly configurable, allowing you to specify scheduled tasks on a monthly or quarterly basis. You can even predefine the assignee of the checklist and the number of days the checklist should be completed within. Automations also work off your Resman lease events. Set a new checklist to spin up a set number of days before a move-in, and your team has the predefined set of tasks in hand before the new resident arrives. No scrambling. Your field team gets the checklist on their phone and works through the tasks one at a time. The Doorcast app works offline, so the basement of a property or a stairwell with no signal won't stop them. Each task supports photos and comments, so if a tech needs to flag something, document context, or attach proof, it goes right on the checklist. And if they find something that needs fixing while they're at it, they can open a new work order right from inside the checklist. No logging into Resman, no calling the office. When the checklist is done, Doorcast generates a clean PDF of the results, including the photos and comments. The PDF shows who signed off on each task, by name, and exactly when, down to the minute. So now when you say we do quarterly walkthroughs, you can prove it. Pricing and setup is up next, or fill out the contact form using the link in the description.